Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Marc. I'm a Sivananda yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you and very welcome to my next tutorial, Vrischikasana or scorpion pose. So I did this as a warm-up before my stream class at the Hatha Center in Greenwich for the live recording. As you can see, I'm now going to my next class in the Greenwich Center. So have a look. I'm giving you a step-by-step guide. First, how to get into headstand, following the 8 steps, and the transition into scorpion. So get excited, watch it. Please leave any comments, feedback, questions below in the comments. Hari Om Tat Sat. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye. Before we get into Sirsasana, headstand, we rest in child pose, balasana. You have the knees together, bring the forehead down, palms facing upwards next to the feet. If you can't reach with the forehead down, make a tower with the face. Slowly with control, roll up. Measure the distance between the arms. Form a solid tripod. Elbows are no longer moving. Now place the crown on the head, down on the floor, back of the head next to the palms, slightly tuck the chin in, straighten the legs and walk forward towards the face. Bring one knee into the chest, followed by the other knee. Keep the knees bent, bring the knees directly over the hips in a straight line. Keep the knees bent. Now straighten the legs. You push with the arms down, with the elbows down. You are in a beautiful headstand. Now release, relax the abdomen, push the abdomen forward, release the palms for Vrischikasana, scorpion pose. Now lift the head up. Let the feet come further over the head. Lift yourself a bit up. Try to look forward. Do what you can. It's important to relax the abdomen fully. Lift the head a bit higher with control. Hold the posture. Good. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Focus your mind. And with control, you can try to bring the legs up straight. Asana. And then with control, bring the legs down and rest again in balasana, child pose. Slowly roll up.
Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.